Hello, fellow cartoonists. This is Cartoon Academy, and I'm your host, Joe Wos. On this show, we learn how to draw everything from beautiful butterflies to creepy cockroaches. So, stay tuned. We're drawing a creepy, crawly cockroach. Let's draw. Let's begin with the eyes. It's a circle. Right next to that, a letter C backwards. Add the pupils. 1, 2. We're going to give him some bushy eyebrows for some real personality. It's just a couple quick lines. The antennas look like this. We come up, down, up, and down. One more time on the opposite side. Up, down, up, and down. We then add just a couple quick lines. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Cockroaches are the oldest living insect. They are over 300 million years old. Now for the mouth. Starting from the base of the eye, we come out, down, letter M, letter M. For the lower jaw, down, out, down, in, up, and connect to the eye. Now for the interior or inside of the mouth. It's just 1, 2 lines down. And then add a tongue. We're then going to fill in the rest of this space. We're now going to add the back or wings. Down, up, down, and up to form a letter W at the base. Keep up the good work. The body, bring a line down, and then we're going to start to add the arms. We have a few of them, so we come out, 1, 2, 3, and in. Out, 1, 2, 3, and in. Let's connect between the arms. Bring that in, and let's add one more arm. Out, 1, 2, 3, and in. Cockroaches have superpowers. They can live underwater for up to a half hour. They can survive without food for a whole month, and even survive without a head for up to a week.
Ouch!
We're going to keep that coming around down to the bottom here. And this is where we add the legs. Out and in, we create a greater than symbol. Out, in, and then once more. Now we're going to connect that to the wings. The other leg sets right here. Down, in, out, in, up, connect. We're going to add the other arms and then the underbelly. The other arms, we just sort of see part of them right behind the other arms. For the underbelly, we're going to draw a line that goes right behind those arms. So we just keep adding that line all the way down to the base. And then work our way across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And there is our creepy little cockroach. Be sure to sign your name, take pride in your work. I think he's kind of cute.